3. So it's not only confined space. But some areas here in Yasref, they allow only one because it's too much already 3. But strictly speaking, it should be individualized. Okay? So, I know permit receivers here in our company is increasing. So some in solid handling, some here in GMS, some fail. So we should, if each one supervisor or foreman should take this course, so that it will not be hard for us to work. It will not late for us to start the work. Any one of us or many of us are already permit receiver, then it means that our work will be more faster if we compare before. Okay? I think that's all for today. Thank you and have a safe working day.
Thank you, Mr. Ejim. Have any comments? Is there any? Okay, set the slogan. Safety.